So I installed my new rigid lights. This Jeep came with LED lights, so this is what it looks like with just the factory lights. That's high beam. These are the fog lights. And let's see, these are flood. These are spot. And all of them on, and including the high beams. Like I can see pretty far. It is pitch black out here. So yeah, I got the dual pod systems. They look pretty cool. Definitely recommend them. But I forgot to turn on the fog lights, so that's with the fog lights on. Yeah, this Jeep came with LED lights from the factory. Just the headlights and the fog lights. I believe it's like an upsell. Because all the other 2018 JKs only had halogen. Yeah, so far I still got the stock suspension and stock wheels. Although they came with some sort of like all-terrain tires already. I have the suspension, but I haven't installed it. I got a Terraflex suspension with the upgraded Fox shocks. They're not your standard Fox shocks. They're the ones with the dual reservoir. And then I'm going to change the pesky plastic hood hinges to some steel lockable ones. And let's see, the gas cap, or the gas cover I should say. I'm trying to go with like a red on black, I guess you would say, or black on red, whichever. It's going to be just a couple accents here and there, red. And eventually I want to get rock lights and scene lights installed on the side of the hardtop. I don't know who I'm going to go with, if I'm going to go with rigid A series or if I'm going to go with KC scene lights. KC scene lights seem pretty good, so I might go with them. It's kind of chilly out here for Arizona. I'm right at the edge of I think the Indian reservation.